So I just bought this cheap car diagnostic tool, and in a moment from now we're going to step out through that door and I'll try it on my car and we'll see some of the function it has. So it came with this pack, no brand name. Let's open it up and see what is inside. Yes, this is the diagnostic tool, and I'm very much sure this should be the manual. So let's go try it out. So this is how the device looks, and when pulled out, I just read a little bit of the manual. It says it's plug and play, so there's no battery attached to any other portion. All you have to do is to plug this, so there will be the 2 ports of your car, and I think it will come up. We'll have to try it out and see how it works. It is quite different from the ELM 327 of the 2 scanner, Bluetooth of the 2 scanner I've always talked about in this YouTube channel. So if you missed that video, definitely you have to go and check that out. And that's the more reason why you need to subscribe to this YouTube channel to get more tips just like this one. Hit the subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification so that I get notified whenever I put up another car related video just like this, because it's actually a technology related channel. I put up tutorial videos, how-tos and whatsoever, so it's not necessarily dedicated to cars, so you should know that. And of course, if you want to buy something like this or something more better than this, in the description of this very video I will definitely go to place a link whereby you have to purchase something good, affordable, because it's quite necessary for all car owners to actually have a diagnostic tool in his or her car. Definitely on the go, you easily detect faults when it starts coming up in your car. So now let's go to that door right there, head over to my car, the car you already know if you're familiar with this channel, and let's try this out. So now we've gotten to my car. As you can already see, it's the Honda Accord. That's for those that are already familiar with this channel. This is the OBD2 scanner itself, and the first thing you have to locate is where your OBD2 port is, and on this Honda Accord is just let's see, that is it right there. That's where the port is. So let's connect this to it. Let me hold on. So I've connected it, and automatically the scanner tool comes up. Now let me sit down properly in the car and let's try it out. Okay, so there's the tool. Hold on, let me lock the door. So let me place it right here, yes, where I can easily assess what is happening. So let's see the main menu. It has this let me show you some of the keys and their function. This is for down, this is for upwards, and of course this is for back, and this is to actually confirm a choice that you've made. So now let's go some of the function: diagnose, UTC, lockup, about not necessarily, I don't really want to go into that, and system setup. Also, I think the first or the only thing we should be looking at is what the diagnose. That's what we want to do. Let's see if it can read codes, and to do that, of course, this is my car key. You have to place the key. No need to turn the car on, just put it one step forward. No need to turn on the ignition. So now let me see. Okay, the car has come up. So now let's see some of the functions. So now let's choose diagnose. Let me hold this properly for you to see. So the first option is diagnose, as you can see. Let me zoom it in, diagnose. And since it is in diagnose, now I have to select or confirm the choice by using this button. So diagnose, let's see. Okay, link into vehicle. Let's see the code it will detect. Waiting for vehicle, system status. Okay, it has seen the vehicle. So let's see some of the options. Read codes. Let me try to look at the arrow key. Read codes, erase codes, view freeze frame, IDM, readiness. But let's just go and read codes and see how the code it will detect. Go upwards and read codes. So once you get there, you confirm. So it's reading. Engine coolant temperature sensor 2. Let's see, it's very low. That's what it is saying. Okay, sensor O2 sensor heater circuit. It's actually brought up 2 codes. Let's go back to the first one. The first one says engine coolant temperature sensor 2 circuit low. What I noticed is that this device actually explains the fault itself without listing out the code, because there's no code. Okay, yes, the code is up there. Okay, yes, okay, P2184 is the full code of the first error, which is engine coolant temperature sensor 2 circuit low, and the second code is P0141, which says O2 sensor heater circuit bank 1 sensor 2. So fault 6 codes actually. System 2 reach bank 1 P0172. I really need to take this car to a mechanic. Engine coolant temperature sensor too low. I think it's similar. Okay, it's just 3 codes actually. So as you can see, I think it's doing its functions properly. I'm talking about this device. It's worth it. It's quite similar to the ALM327 of the scanner I've told you guys about. Talked about in this video. So I think this comes in handy for every car user. Once you have a car, be it Honda, Corolla, Lexus, whatsoever, I think you should have a car diagnostic tool. As you can see, assuming I don't have something like this, I wouldn't have detected that my car is actually experiencing 3 error codes. So I have to like fix this out as soon as possible. After dropping this video, uploading this video, I will have to like take this car to the mechanic shop for them to fix such error codes. All I have to do is to take this code to them and say this is the fault, you guys check on it. So do you think this device is cool? I think it is cool for all car users. So what are your thoughts about this affordable cars diagnostic tool I just bought recently? Oh, it's kind of cool, yeah. So you guys have literally seen this plug and play, and also you've seen some of the feature that comes with this device. So I think it's advisable for you to have this on the go. So if you want to purchase something like this, go to the description of this video. I'll place a link whereby you can easily get something cheap as this. Even if you reside in the US, UK, Canada, wherever country you are, I think you should have this on the go. So go to the description of this video, and also go to our playlist, search for how to use the LM327 OBD2 scanner. You see lots and lots of video I've put up talking about that very OBD2 scanner. If that's what you want, also in the video of all those ELM327 OBD2 scanner videos, you also see description where you can easily purchase them. So but if you want something like this, if you want to save your stress of installing any car scanner app, or yes, purchasing any car scanner app, I think this is the best option for you. So buy from the description below. So we'll see in my next video. Like I said from the start, remember to subscribe to this channel so that you get some useful tips that I'll be dropping from this channel as it comes from me. So we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye for now.